In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Shopify Crave theme. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, head into your Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then Themes. Locate the Crave theme in your theme library and click the Customize button. This opens the theme editor where you'll make all of your visual and layout changes. Take a moment to get comfortable with the interface. It's split into a live preview on the right and controls on the left. On the left, you'll see your page structure under sections. These represent the different blocks that make up your homepage and other template pages. Click any section to open its settings. For example, choose an image with text section to swap images, change headline and body text, and adjust the call to action link. Select a featured collection section to pick which collections show, update collection images, modify titles, and link directly to product or collection pages. As you edit, the live preview updates in real time, so you can see exactly how your content will look. You can add new sections, remove ones you don't need, or reorder them by dragging so your most important content appears first. If you prefer a minimal layout, hide sections temporarily to test different looks without deleting content. A practical tip is to prepare high-resolution images and concise, benefit-focused text before you begin. That makes swapping content smooth and keeps your layout tidy. Next, switch to theme settings by clicking the icon that looks like a paint palette or a gear in the left menu. These controls apply site-wide and control your global styles. Here you can customize colors to match your brand palette, choose typography settings to ensure readable and consistent fonts, and upload your logo and favicon so your store feels cohesive. Add your social media links to connect customers to your channels, and set checkout branding options so the shopper experience remains on brand through purchase. If you use installed apps, open the App Embed section to enable or disable front-end elements like product review widgets or chat pop-ups. Toggling these on or off lets you control customer-facing features without leaving the theme editor. Before you finish, use the device icons at the top of the preview to check desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Make any final adjustments to spacing or text size so everything reads well on small screens. When you're satisfied with the look and functionality, click Save to apply your changes. That's all it takes to customize the Crave theme and make your Shopify store look professional and on brand.